Welcome to JH. In this guide, I'll demonstrate how to update your Udemy name in just a few minutes. Whether you have a new legal name or want to refine your professional brand, these steps will help you refresh your profile. To begin, ensure you are signed into your account. Navigate to the Udemy homepage and select the Login button located in the upper right corner. Many users prefer using a Google account for access, which is the method we will focus on here. Simply click the Google icon to proceed. From there, pick the specific Google account tied to your Udemy profile to ensure you are modifying the correct settings. Once authenticated, the site will automatically redirect you back to the main dashboard. Now, look toward the top right again and click on your profile image. This opens a menu where you should select your name. This action brings you to your central profile hub. We specifically need the section for basic information. Look for the link that allows you to view and modify your personal details, including your display name. Once you reach the basic info area, you will see editable boxes for your first and last names. Enter your preferred name here, whether it's a nickname, a middle name, or a legal update. After typing the new details, you must perform the most important step, clicking the Save button. If you skip this, your changes will not be applied to your account. That is the simple way to update your Udemy identity. Keep in mind that your name affects how instructors and peers see you. So choose a name that fits your professional goals. If you run into trouble, Udemy's support team is available to assist. Keeping your details current ensures your certificates and progress are correctly documented. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips to enhance your online learning journey.